that they're working on systems where people can live 40 years longer, healthy lives, healthier,
Sure.
longer. So that's one of them, and I forget the other one now. So it's pretty.
Well, if you think about it, like the DNA thing, there's got to be people that are also doing it to get all the, whatever you want to call it, like levels or metrics in your body, record as much as you can, and maybe the idea is to recreate themselves. Maybe not with the same consciousness, because when you die, you cease to exist as that person, but recreating your physical part, and then hoping maybe your consciousness comes back. I don't know, because a lot of those people, if they have a lot of money, they want to live forever.
Yeah, sure. And there'll be chips and everything. There'll be. I mean, look at it now. I mean, we almost have a camera on every corner now.
Yeah.
So it's and now everything that, and all the billions of things that are connected have those sensors. So there's not going to be. It's really space age.